Yeah. So, you want to take Allen wrenches, 2 of them. This is a really super small Allen wrench that I took a hammer to and flattened the crap out of it. See that? Yeah. Before, after. And that's my tension wrench that I made out of an Allen wrench. Works pretty good. Just flatten the end with a hammer and something solid on the other side. Gotta be pretty flat to fit in the lock. And let's see here. Here's my master lock. So basically, you have your tension wrench. And it fits right inside the lock. And you want to put tension on it. And for purposes from YouTube, and I don't want to get arrested, I'm going to do this without anybody watching. So yeah. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? And that's how you unlock a lock, with tension wrench and another little tool. I ain't naming nothing. That's it.